Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to Metalytics Insight Limited. My name is Dr. Mrs. Sajala. This morning, we'll be looking at research philosophy, philosophical assumptions, paradigms, and uh, research approaches. So it is very, very important that you should know the postgraduate students, at least at master's and PhD level, to know the research assumptions or philosophical assumptions through which your research approaches uh, will be adopted. So some of these philosophical assumptions, they are very, very important. They talked about how knowledge is acquired, whether it is acquired objectively or it is acquired subjectively, whether you are using quantitative or you are using qualitative data. It is this research uh, philosophical assumptions that will direct you on which one to actually use. So most often now, in most of the universities, it is expected that when you get to your chapter 3, you should select or you should decide on the research philosophical assumptions that will guide your study. Now, let us look at what research philosophy is talking about. We can define it as a set of basic beliefs that guide the design and execution of research studies. You know, your research title, when you've been writing from chapter 1, you write your chapter 2, but when you get to your chapter 3, you've already identified a problem, you've already identified a gap. Then how are you going to acquire knowledge? As in the knowledge you want to acquire, you have to align it with a particular research philosophical assumptions, and that is the reason why this research philosophy is being hammered on in any school, especially when it comes to academic writing. We said that it guides the design, your research design, and the execution of your research study. Your research design, starting from your chapter 1, based on the objective you have stated, based on the knowledge gap you have stated, then this philosophical assumption will guide you on how you should go in order to acquire knowledge as regard the phenomenon of your study. Then there are different research philosophies that often that offer different approaches to understanding scientific research. So in social management side, though we have many of it, but in social management sciences, especially, we have limited one that actually align with the way we conduct our own study. We'll get there and I will discuss them briefly.